Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, May 23rd. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. So the market's been pushing lower here. Pre-market, as you can see, we're making new lows in the overnight right now. Keep in mind, we are treating yesterday as an inside day. Okay, SPY was an inside day. They were weak against the previous day's low. ES took it out by 2 ticks. Absolutely treating it as an inside day. So we had come into balance yesterday. Now, as we scan out a little bit, here's ES. So if we do take out yesterday's low, again, this is an art, not a science. Some people automatically call this down coming out of a 2-day balance, or some might still call it still in balance, depending on what we do at the 18th low. Again, it's all to your preference. The more important thing is a couple of things. Number one, if you come out of an inside day, you go with it and monitor it for continuation, or just as importantly, lack of. That's number one. Number two, don't forget, we spent 2 days above, for the most part, the base of this price spike. So our buyer is going to finally give it up, right? Remains to be seen. We still have time before the opening. We've been battling 4,200. Now we're below it for now. So look at the overnight high, briefly took out yesterday's high. Now the overnight low is going towards yesterday's low. Also, don't forget, we had a wide POC yesterday. So if this attempt by sellers fail, whether it fails at yesterday's low or we come out of the inside day and to the downside and fail and come back in, well, any acceptance obviously back inside of value from yesterday, you'll go trade at that 12 wide POC. Okay, ES ended 12 wide, SPY ended 11 wide. So it's a very, very wide point of control. NQ last night was way above yesterday's range. Now they're getting towards the low of yesterday's. I told you it would be healthy for NQ to come into some sort of balance on the daily, right? They've had a tremendous run. It would be healthy for them to come into balance. So if they take out yesterday's low, initially we'll come into a 3-day balance. Again, the balance would be forming, so then we'd have to see how much they take out. If they get below the 19th low, then maybe we incorporate it into a 4-day balance. But it would be initially a 3-day balance if they take out yesterday's low. As far as righty goes, righty, remember, took back a triple distribution day yesterday from Friday to have a double distribution up yesterday. Right now, their overnight low is still above where their single prints are, so they're in the upward distribution. So game plan for this morning. Can you take a long against yesterday's low? Again, it depends on where the overnight low is by that point. We know they love to front run the overnight low, so we still have 80 minutes prior to the opening. So it's going to depend where the overnight low is. If it's here, you can certainly do it. If it's below yesterday's low, the overnight low, then you have to see if you want to do that because you'd be coming out of an inside day to the downside. This is a beautiful risk-reward short if we were ever up here against yesterday's high, and then you would use the overnight high as your out because then you'd be coming out of an inside day to the upside. Our range was not that big yesterday, only a little over $3, and we never took out the IB high or low for the first time this year in 97 trading days. So right now, a lot of little different things you can do. Depending on where the overnight low is, you can front run it. If it pushes up against value low, you can take a short the first time. Any acceptance into value, again, you're going to go back to that wide POC. But again, the main thing is, what do we do at 4,200? What do we do at the base of this price spike? We've held it now for 2 full days, basically. Those are the keys. And then whether we come out of the inside day down or up. And then just quickly on the chart, just going to show you the daily. So, inside day, so the market went balance, bull, now we're back to balance. Do we come out of balance bear, or do we come out of balance bull? If we take out these 2 highs, we're certainly back to bull. If we take out these 2 lows, again, you can call it bear or you can call it a 4-day balance. Again, it's going to be subjective to how you want to see it. 20-day moving average right now continues to curl up. It's at 412.31. We're still $5 above it. We'll see if that does become a factor at any point today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.